Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Green Goddess vegan salad. It's a recipe that was inspired by Baked by Melissa on TikTok. I actually filmed this recipe a long time ago, but I'm just gonna upload it now. All you need is one cabbage, and you're just going to chop it really good. And you're also going to need one cucumber, and you're just going to chop it. Don't chop it like I did. And you're just going to add it to your bowl. And you're also going to need chives, and you're just going to chop it really finely like this. And you are also going to need one shallot. You can use a red onion if you don't have a shallot, and you're just going to put it in a blender. Add a handful of garlic. Walnut, you need 2 cups of walnuts. Olive oil, add your chives in there, and add some spinach. And I'm also adding some lemon juice on top, just like that. And you are going to blend. And that's it. It's very easy, and you just put it back in a bowl. So that's the sauce, and you mix it really well, and there you have it, a delicious vegan goddess salad. Come back for more.